Hi everybody. I hope it's hearing. Yeah, thank you. Uh, Today I'm to present a paper on API testing, picking the right strategy. So before going into the topic, let me introduce myself and my co-author who's responsible for writing this paper. Myself, Asha KR. I work as a senior software QA engineer in McAfee, now known as Intel Security, Bangalore, India. And I am working from past 5.
We really can't hear.
What?
Can you raise the volume, please?
Kevin? Oh,
I don't know how to do this. Is you?
just probably just move the mic
Okay.
up higher.
Put it on your collar.
It's
Wait a minute.
fine now.
Put it on her collar.
Fine?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm Asha. I come from Intel Security, Bangalore, India, and I am working in Intel Security from past 5 years, and I have a degree in Bachelor of Engineering. This is my co-author, Shweta. She works as a software development engineering for test, and she's currently working in my project itself, and she works from past 1 year. So she also holds a BE in EMC. So agenda of this topic would be like I'll be giving a brief introduction on what are web services, what are APIs, why do we need this API testing, how important this API testing for us, and what are the approaches and solutions that we went through as a case study, and what are the results and conclusions. So what are these web services exactly? A web service is nothing but a service which makes itself available on the internet and uses a standardized XML messaging system. Web services extend a worldwide web infrastructure to facilitate how a component should connect to another. So web services applications access these web services via web protocols such as HTTP, XML, and SOAP. So APIs are similar to web services, that is like application programming interface. The difference being that web services work over the internet and APIs connect through the application to application. So why it is so important to take API testing? In this era of agile development, we are moving into the UI model where UI is ever changing and web services are taking the center stage, and giving the importance to this layer will be more important. So let me give you a general architecture where this API testing comes. So this is a general 3-tier architecture where a database layer, business layer, and a presentation layer is there. So APIs come in this business layer. So what does API have? All the business logics are present in this API. So the testing of this layer would become very important. This diagram depicts like what are the steps involved in API testing. Generally, like we have a specification document where the developer specifies all the APIs and what are the specifications of that API, what are the inputs, what are the outputs, what are the requests to be given, what is the functionality of that API. So understanding that API programs becomes very important before writing a test case. So once we understand those requirements, we start writing the test cases, and test cases can involve many techniques like equivalence class, boundary values, or error guessing. It depends on the functionality. Later, after writing the test case, the next part would be selection of the tool. Which tool suits our API? Is it a straightforward scenario, or is it a logic based, or what is it? The next part will be like executing those test cases and getting the results. Then compare those results and prepare a test report. These are the general steps involved. This is a project architecture like what we are currently working with, and our team is responsible for developing the APIs. That is a web service layer which shows this, and this layer has all the web services hosted in it. This web services has two layers in turn, as a data services and a management service. Data services have data APIs which are responsible for holding all business logic data in it, and management layer has management APIs which in turn take the data from the data APIs and present it to the customer or partner. That is the web portal. So what are the exact problems that made us to take this API testing and automate it? Crucial integration testing means like there are many components and subcomponents in a product where manual testing becomes very difficult. Sometimes there is a time constraint where the product has to be released. UI failure. So failure in the UI is like difficult to find out where exactly it is failed. But before that, when we do the API testing, it reduces the UI failure. Though we have already tested the APIs in depth. Taking up automation would be because like manual effort of maintaining the product would be difficult. So what were the solutions that we came up with? I'll be going from the beginning of the project what we used. So we used both like manual API testing as well as automation. In manual we used like WCF test client and SOAP UI. In automation we used like Microsoft Web Test, and now as a stabilized framework we are using a programming language. I'll be explaining it further. So as I assume you know WCF client, this is a screenshot of that. WCF client is nothing but Windows Communication Foundation, which comes with a .NET package itself, and it is a very easy to use tool. And the left pane is the one which web services are hosted, and right has the upper part one is the input request, and the down part is the output request what we get, output response what we get. So it is simple to use by a tester, and it is like predefined inputs, and we get all this ready. Once we input the values and invoke the button, the response is got. But the disadvantage is like we can't save the requests or responses. Every time a tester has to open the tool and input all the things. So it becomes a tedious process for a tester to input the things every time. And the further validations can't be done. DB validations anyhow we have to do manually. So like it is used for only the services which are very straightforward. So next would be the SOAP UI. SOAP UI is nothing but simple object access protocol. Again, this works over HTTP and XML messaging system. And even this, unlike WCF, we had a disadvantage of like we can't save the test scripts. Here that problem is solved. Like we can save the test scripts